Okay, just got to remove the screws holding the cover for the spare tyre in, and it looks like we've got a series of lock nuts, so they're probably not original. I'll free them up. Carpet's been removed from the inside wall. Series of crosshead nuts on the other side, so we'll free that up, get them out. Okay, so these are the bolts for the back of the fuel tank. Again, looking at MG Guru, it looks like they refer to a vertical removable piece, but that's welded, and it's this horizontal piece that's removable with this bolt at the top. So he points that out with a new drawing. We'll do both of those, and then we've got all the wiring here to the rear lights and indicators. Mine's held in this protective sleeve and cable tied around the chassis. There's the wire to the rear number plate and lights, and it goes all the way over there to the near side lights and indicator. So we'll start to take that out later. Right, so dashboard. I've read the MG Guru site again, and it looks like the first thing we've got to do is remove the steering wheel with this clamp here, and also I think we have to loosen this clamp here, and then we can remove the splines. I'll try that first and see where we get. Okay, so remove the front bolt, and that's dropped down. There's another one right at the front there, which again just a bolt that is a 1/2 inch. Spanner on one end, ratchet on the other. That came off nicely, and I've sprayed the front spline with a bit of double. And just need to give it a gentle little tap, and then I think he said the steering wheel gently pulls out. Which he is right. That's good. And it also looks like I've just got a little plastic tie holding the wires. There we are, steering wheel is out.